If you love your coffee as much as I do, and your coffee machine is not working, and it happens to be the Hamilton Flexbrew model 49954, there's an easy way to fix it. Maybe, somewhat. Easier than what I found on YouTube. If you want to zoom in a little here, there is a hose in the back that is held by a little clamp. As you can see, it was just sitting there. Hopefully the zoom is okay. It was just sitting there, so when the water would come up, it would go, but it would drip, so I would get water all over my counter. As you can see, I had to take the back panel off. The back panel looks like this. And this is very important because those edges, as you see right here, have screws that go under here. They go here, here, and these two corners right here, which you cannot reach unless you take the side paneling off. And no one told me in the videos that the side paneling basically just snap on and snap off. Look, the hose just popped out. So in order to get to the back panel to take it off, you do not have to take the bottom off. You do have to take one screw here, and you have to take the two screws that go, you can see right here, which is, if you can see it, the arm bracket that goes where the water pours in. You have to remove that in order to take the two screws that are there, so that you can take the back paneling off, which is basically just reconnecting that hose. And as you can see, this is basically a clamp. You push it up and put it back to tightening. I'm gonna ask my wife to hold the camera while I do this serious surgery here. I'm gonna push this down. Hopefully it doesn't come off quickly, and it'll take another 2 years or whatever. I may need a needle to close. Need a plier, but yeah. Now putting the hose is easier than putting the clamp. At least by hand, I'm gonna have to. You need needle nose pliers or something to open the clip. Getting it down is the problem. Who came up with this design here? Let's see how wide do I have to open that baby up to get it to go down? Okay, alright, there we go. That should hold it in place. That'll keep it from moving. And that's the fix. And then obviously you have to put everything back. The power cord goes through here. And the back, just in case, this notch goes with this notch. So it's supposed to slide in and out, right? Not much like the guy in the other video told me. There's not really much sliding in and out. I just need to know where I put the screws at. I'm gonna believe that these screws, which this machine has two different types of screws, which I only have the Phillips, so it makes it kind of difficult. But the back is basically Phillips, which is easy to put back in if I line it up right. Oh, the power cord is in the way. Now it falls into place. There we go. And that's pretty much to it. I'm not going to spend a lot of time showing you how to put it back. I will show you how to put this. Alright, you would screw that. You would screw that. You would screw that here. You put one here. And then it's basically just popping in the panels into the slots. I think the hardest part is actually popping them out without breaking them. You have to figure out how to get the right angle with the flat screwdriver. But once you got the sides off, you really just have to take the screws off. The screw in the bottom, that one screw in the bottom, and the screw that sits on these two slots, one here and one here. And that's about it. I hope you get your coffee on, because I love my coffee. Now we're gonna make some coffee. Nope. No leaks. No leaks.